Today we are going to make veg momos. Okay? So you need to make momos is some maida, a carrot, some cabbage, ginger, garlic, green peas and some salt, some pepper and a glass of water. Start making the dough, okay, for momos. So add a pinch of salt, okay, and pour a half glass of water into the dough. Making the dough. Look at it. I press oil on the dough. Now I cut the ginger and garlic with the help of my mother. Okay. Now I am going to cut the carrot and the cabbage. Okay. Grating the carrot and cabbage. So now let's start cooking. Okay? Now I am going to add little oil on the pan. Okay? Vegetables for 5 minutes. Now I off the gas stove and let it cool. Okay? I am making balls with this dough. Okay? Now we have to keep the momos in steam for 15 minutes, okay? Now we have finished cooking the momos. Look. Everyone, try this momos with the help of your parents. This is very tasty, okay? Hope you like my video. Bye.
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. The light bulb inside my head says, get out and play, 'cause you never